U.S. Navy's first MQ-25A completes taxi test. The U.S. Navy's first operational MQ-25A Stingray, an unmanned carrier-based aerial refueling drone developed by Boeing, successfully completed its initial low-speed taxi test on January 29, 2026. The test took place at Boeing's new production facility at Mascoutah, Illinois, at Mid-America St. Louis Airport. During the event, air vehicle pilots from the Navy's Air Test and Evaluation Squadrons, VX-23 and UX-24, remotely initiated the autonomous taxi via the Unmanned Carrier Aviation Mission Control System, or UMCS, with the aircraft moving under its own power from the hangar to the taxiway and performing a series of maneuvers to validate ground handling, braking response, nosewheel steering, throttle response, datalink integrity, and overall system functionality. This milestone marks the final phase of ground testing for the production representative MQ-25A, following prior achievements like structural testing, initial engine runs, and flight-certified software integration. The aircraft, which features a stealthy design with a top-mounted flush air inlet, inset engine exhaust, and retractable sensor turret under the nose, is primarily designed for aerial refueling using a buddy store under its wing, while also supporting secondary intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR, roles. The MQ-25 program evolved from the Navy's earlier Unmanned Carrier-Launched Airborne Surveillance and Strike, or U-Class, initiative, which shifted focus from strike and ISR to tanker duties to extend the range of carrier air wings and reduce the burden on crewed FA-18 Super Hornets used for refueling. A Boeing-owned demonstrator, T-1, has been used for earlier testing, but this taxi test involves the first fully representative operational model. The program has experienced delays, missing a 2025 first flight target due to challenges like late industry deliveries, with the Navy now aiming for first flight in early 2026 once additional taxi tests, systems reviews, and flight clearances are completed, pending suitable weather. Initial operational capability is targeted for 2027, with the Navy planning to acquire 76 aircraft total, including 9 pre-production units, 5 for static testing. Boeing and Navy officials emphasized the progress. Boeing noted the aircraft is one step closer to its first flight, while Rear Admiral Tony Rossi highlighted the team's advancements in testing and certification. The MQ-25 is seen as a pathfinder for future unmanned carrier operations, potentially leading to air wings that are 60% uncrewed by the 2040s.